Ever pondered over what could make your salads not just tasty, but also super healthy? The answer is right under your nose. Arugula. This humble leafy green, also known as rocket, is a nutritional powerhouse that can supercharge your health and well-being. Arugula, a member of the Brassica family, shares its lineage with other nutritional heavyweights like broccoli, kale, and Brussels sprouts. But what makes arugula stand out? It's a fusion of flavor and health, a delightful combo that doesn't come around often. One of the key health benefits of arugula is its high content of vital nutrients. It's packed with vitamins A, C, and K, along with several essential minerals. Vitamin K in particular plays a critical role in bone health and blood clotting. Arugula doesn't stop there. It also boasts a high fiber content which aids digestion, helps maintain a healthy weight, and keeps the heart in top shape. A diet rich in fiber is often associated with a lower risk of developing heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. But wait, there's more. Arugula is a potent source of antioxidants, compounds that protect your cells against damage. It's especially rich in an antioxidant called glucosinolates, which has been linked to reducing the risk of certain cancers. In addition, arugula has a low-calorie count, making it an excellent choice for those mindful of their calorie intake. Yet, it's surprisingly filling thanks to its fiber content. So, it can help you feel full without adding too many calories to your diet. Arugula also contains nitrate, a compound that can help lower blood pressure and enhance athletic performance. So, whether you're a sports enthusiast or someone trying to keep their blood pressure in check, arugula makes a worthy addition to your diet. To sum up, arugula is a nutritional goldmine. It brings a plethora of health benefits to the table, from boosting your vitamin intake and promoting heart health to providing antioxidants and aiding weight management. It's a leafy green that's more than just a salad filler. It's a secret weapon for a healthier, happier you. With arugula, you're not just eating, you're nurturing your body. So next time you're at the grocery store, remember to pick up this green gem. Your body will thank you.